No one to hold it.
Where will they go? Their mother's dead.
They don't belong down here.
Better a quick death. They won't last without their mother.
Right, give it here.
No!
Put away your blade.
I take orders from your father, not you.
Please, Father.
I'm sorry, Bran.
Lord Stark. There are 5 pups. One for each of the Stark children. The direwolf is a sigil of your house. They were meant to have them.
You'll train them yourselves. You'll feed them yourselves. And if they die, you'll bury them yourselves.